A project that could see Te Arawa Uri helping Rarotonga with the starfish outbreak currently jeopardising its coral reef has just been given a financial boost by Te Pūtea Whakatupu Trust. Rarotonga-based Kōrero o Te Ōrau has been tackling the crown-of-thorns starfish or taramea outbreak with scuba divers, removing the invasive species from the reef. Taramea is also present in Te Arawa lakes, and Te Arawa Taiohi Toa now hope to train their own divers to assist Rarotonga and control other invasive species in Te Arawa lakes. Harina Rupapera no Ngāti Rangitihi and Te Arawa has been awarded one of the Trust's Tonga Nui scholarships to support this kaupapa and is with us now from Rotorua. Tēnā koe Harina, thank you for joining us.
Whakarongo mai ana, e mihi ana.
Look, congratulations on your scholarship. Tell us a little bit more about this.
Just to clarify, there are no taramea in freshwater. They're ocean species. But I'm currently working on Te Arawa Taiohi Toa, and it is a vision of hope and possibility here in Te Arawa for our taiohi to learn who they are and where they come from. I'm also a biosecurity officer for all of the lakes here in Te Arawa. So the inspiration was from learning about what Kōrero o Te Ōrau are doing over there and wanting to connect with them.
Tēnā koe. Talk us through your vision for a cultural exchange now with Rarotonga.
So our mission statement here is Arawa Ahu Hawaiki. We hope to educate and reconnect our whānau to our whakapapa, and through that came across the ocean from Hawaii. So that's the cultural aspect. But it's about going back to Haupao Tuahine and Tungane over there, tūhono ki ngā matua tupuna, and contribute in some way. So we have responsibility here for our freshwater and our marine spaces, and it's a really good opportunity to educate our uri here and then take them over to Rarotonga to contribute and learn at the same time.
Harina, talk to us about what you know about the crown-of-thorns starfish currently impacting coral reefs in Rarotonga.
So I don't know a lot other than they are very invasive, and it's similar to some of the pests that we have here, like catfish. It's quite detrimental. So they are ocean species, but because of climate change, they've moved into the reefs, and the damage that they do cause takes years, even decades to recover from.
And how is Rarotonga's response to removing the taramea?
There's that connection there.
Yep, sorry for interrupting. How is Rarotonga's response to removing the taramea by using dive teams similar to Te Arawa Taiohi Toa aspirations, particularly with Te Arawa lakes?
So part of our aspiration is not just learning who we are and where we come from, what we're responsible for. So all of our pepeha in Te Arawa come with responsibility to give back and protect our spaces and our stories. So that's the connection there. And we aim to educate our young people in every aspect of biosecurity. So not just our kōrero tuku iho pūrākau, also skills for employment and job opportunity, biosecurity. So kaitiakitanga is our main focus.
Beautiful. Hard to beat that one. What other mātauranga Māori are you planning on sharing to help tackle biodiversity issues?
So we do most things. Kumara, we grow kai. We teach our young people how to look after the marae. We teach our people, the kōrero tuku, so we're able to care and uphold the mana of our tupuna on the pai. We go around looking at pest management, looking after our ngahere, every aspect that covers climate change. For us, they're not siloed. They're actually who we are. So we try to do our best in every single space.
Harina Rupapera, thank you so much for your time today and all the best for your support of Rarotonga.
Thank you so much to Te Pūtea Whakatupu Trust for the scholarship.